Okay, so here's that gum tree that was blown down in the storm we had the other night. Now he's about just a little over 3 feet across the bottom here, and which is roughly about a meter. And I'm going to pick, I'm not going to cut the whole tree up today, but what I'm going to do is cut a few choice pieces out of this to make some bowls. Now, I rather like making a bowl called a hat bowl, which is a crutch of a tree here, like this. So I'll be cutting this off around here and there and making that into a bowl, and making a very nice bowl. There's also another one here in this area where you have 2 branches come out, and now that'll make a very nice platter or bowl. And of course, as you work your way down this one limb, we come to this area here. Now I'm probably going to cut out of this bend here. I'm going to cut one segment there and another piece through here, which will make another 2 nice bowls, and possibly another one here actually, where this limb comes out, because the features in the wood, really sort of make the bowl pop. It's not just an ordinary plain straight grain. Also through here, there'll probably be a couple of nice bowls in there, and obviously all the way down this trunk, all the way down to the root bowl. I'll probably cut this one off about here, because that area there, when I cleaned it up, cleaned all these off and sliced them in 2, that's going to make 2 beautiful bowls too. So all in all, I got that big limb that goes all the way up main trunk there as well. So he's gonna, I'm gonna get quite a few bowls, and either bowls or vases out of this. And the same goes for that one over there. But that's a very nice root bowl on the bottom of that one. So, this tree is not going to die in vain, and certainly it's not going to be used all for firewood. So it's going to be about a 50-50 affair. All all the good wood here up this area I can actually make into planking as well, and make other jobs out of. So it's not all going to be firewood or anything like that. Obviously the limbs, yeah, they'll be cut up for firewood. So here we go. So I've got the big Stihl Farm Boss chainsaw, and if you're in the market for a chainsaw, there's only really one choice, and that's a Stihl. So okay, let's get on with it. Right, now I've carved up this large limb that's coming off here. Now there's a couple of heart bowls here, I can see. One there, one there, and there's a big one here. Might make a platter out of that one, but I can see there's a dark region through here. So maybe, maybe not. But certainly this one, which is his brother, that is going to make a really, really nice bowl. You see the two limb areas here, and this like knotty area here in between. That is going to make at least one, if not two, really nice bowls. Another nice one there. So I'm looking forward to getting past this tree on the lathe. Now then, in preparation, now I put a couple of logs underneath the trunk there because I'm going to make a couple of cuts now. First of all, I'm going to knock this stay out from there. Now the tree might roll over because I don't know what's in the ground in there. There's a couple of nice roots there, so that might stop it rolling over, but I don't want to take any chances because trees can be very, how should we say, unpredictable, because that tree there weighs between 4 and 5 tons and I don't want it rolling on me or any part of me for that matter. So you know, you take all the precautions you can. So if I knock that out and it stays steady, I know that the root ball in there is going to hang onto the tree, and so then I can cut this back then all the way to the main trunk, and then I'm going to cut the root ball off and then start splitting the trunk up down as far as this beautiful area here. Okay, so here we go. Lucky, I don't think it's going to go anywhere at all. But just to be sure, I'm going to put that stay up in here and work my way back. I'm sure it's not going to go anywhere, but another hat bowl there. In Australia too, there's another thing you've got to look out for, is there's a lot of really nasty bugs that want to jump up and bite you. Beautiful. Absolutely blooming beautiful. Well, will you look at the figure in this wood? It's beautiful. Now, if you've seen any of my wood turning videos, you will know that I go for quite a nice figure in wood, and the outcome can be quite well, normally spectacular. And in this case, I know I've got two beautiful bowls that I'm really pleased with, and I'm sure you're going to be pleased with the end result as well. So what I'm trying to show you is, you know, if you're going to start wood turning, these are the sort of processes that you will eventually be going through, is choosing your own wood to do bowl turning or platter turning or vase turning, and you know, not when you get a fallen tree like this, they really are a gold mine, as you will actually see evidence on some of my videos with some of the bowl turnings that I've done. They're absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's get this in the shop.